In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple accounts on Pinterest, whether you manage a personal profile alongside a brand or you just want to keep different interests separate. Setting up multiple accounts is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through where to click, what each option means, and a few helpful tips so you feel confident by the end. Start by heading to pinterest.com in a web browser and sign into your current account. Using an up-to-date browser helps everything load smoothly. If you're already logged in, you'll land on your home feed. If not, sign in as you normally would so you're ready to add another account. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This may show your profile photo or a simple silhouette. That click opens a drop-down menu with various account and settings options. Take a moment to let the menu fully load so you don't miss what you need. Within that menu, find the section labeled Other Accounts. In that section, click Add Pinterest Account. Depending on your interface, it may simply read Add Account. If the menu is long, scroll a bit until you see it. This is the gateway to linking or creating additional accounts under the same sign-in experience. From here, you'll see three paths. First, you can connect an existing account. Choose this if you already have another Pinterest login you want to use. Pinterest will prompt you to sign in to that other account, and you may be asked to confirm with a verification code. Once connected, you'll be able to switch between accounts from the same profile dropdown without signing out each time. Second, you can create a new personal account. This option is ideal if you want a separate space for hobbies, home projects, or inspiration boards that are distinct from your main profile. You'll be guided to provide basic details to set it up. After creation, personalize it with a clear name and image so you can quickly tell it apart when switching. Third, you can create a free business account. This is best for brands, creators, or anyone who wants access to analytics, publishing tools, and promotional features. You'll enter details like your business name and category. It's still free, and you can keep it alongside your personal profiles for easy switching. Once you've added what you need, return to the profile icon anytime to move between accounts. Label accounts clearly, keep notifications organized, and you'll stay efficient across all your Pinterest profiles.